Have you ever looked at someone else's life and thought, why can't I be like them? Why is my life so unfair? This story begins with a crow who felt exactly like that. A crow who believed the entire world was against him, never realizing that the thing he hated most in his own life was the very thing others secretly wished they had. There was once a huge, beautiful forest. Tall trees touching the sky, golden sunlight filtering through the leaves, and peaceful creatures living their own simple lives. And in that forest lived a lonely crow. He could fly anywhere he wanted, from the deepest valleys to the highest mountains. He had freedom, but his heart was full of sadness. Every day he watched other birds, colorful, graceful, admired. He watched animals who seemed stronger, happier, more blessed, and he wondered, why was I made like this? Why am I the one nobody wants? One gloomy afternoon, with clouds covering the sky, the crow sat silently on a tree branch, eyes wet with despair. A single tear rolled off his face and fell on an old monk who was meditating beneath the tree. The monk slowly opened his eyes and smiled gently. "Little crow, why are you crying?" The crow's voice trembled. "Oh, wise one, I am tired of living like this. Everyone hates me. People chase me away. They throw stones at me. No one offers me food. They think I'm nothing but trouble. I feel like I don't belong anywhere. Sometimes, I think dying would be easier than this misery." The monk's heart softened. "My dear crow, life isn't perfect for anyone. True happiness is not found by becoming someone else. It begins when you accept who you are." But the crow couldn't believe that. His mind was drowning in self-pity. "No, if I were any other bird, a beautiful one, a loved one, then I would finally be happy." The monk paused, then said, "Very well. Before I change you with my mantra, go to a swan and ask if he is truly happy. Then return to me." The crow flew with excitement, believing his new life was close. He reached a calm lake where a white swan glided gracefully across the water. "Oh, beautiful swan," the crow said, "you are so lovely, pure white, admired by everyone. Surely you must be the happiest bird in the world." The swan looked at him quietly. "You think I am beautiful, but I see myself differently. I have no colors. I look plain in a world filled with vibrant shades. I often wished I had the colors of the parrot. Surely the parrot must be the happiest." Confused, the crow flew again. He found a parrot sitting in a cage outside a house. "Parrot, you are colorful, loved by people, praised for your beauty. You must be very happy." The parrot sighed deeply. "People love my colors, but they do not give me freedom. I am trapped in this cage. I dream every day of flying like you do, but I can only imagine it. In my eyes, the peacock must be the happiest. He is the most beautiful of all." And so the crow flew to a zoo where a majestic peacock lived. Crowds surrounded the cage, taking pictures, admiring his magnificent feathers. The crow approached him and said, "Everyone loves you. They travel from far away just to see you. You must be the happiest bird alive." The peacock looked at him sadly through the bars. "I used to believe that too, but because of my beauty, I am trapped. I can't fly freely. People pluck my feathers for decoration. I live behind these bars, while I watch birds like you come and go as they please. Do you know something, crow? The only bird I have never seen in a cage is you." The crow's heart stopped for a moment. You mean you wish you were like me?" "Yes," the peacock whispered. "I would give away all this beauty, just to live one day as freely as you do." Shaken, the crow returned to the monk. He lowered his head and said softly, "No, I don't want to be a swan. I don't want to be a parrot. I don't want to be a peacock. For the first time, I feel grateful. I am free. I am what I am. And that is enough." The monk smiled, knowing the crow had finally understood. In life, we compare ourselves endlessly. Someone else looks more beautiful. Someone else seems luckier. Someone else appears more successful. But everyone carries hidden struggles we do not see. While we are busy wishing for another life, someone out there is wishing they had ours. Happiness begins the moment you stop looking at what you lack and start appreciating what you already have. Your freedom, your gifts, your journey, your uniqueness. The happiest people are not those who have everything, but those who value what they already hold. So stop comparing, start living. Your life is enough. You are enough. If this story touched your heart, share it with someone who needs this reminder. Your one like, one comment, one share. It may feel small, but it keeps these meaningful stories alive. Thank you for being here. See you tomorrow with another powerful life lesson.